Good morning, everyone. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I am coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, today to show you a new jewelry design technique class that I offer. In this class, you will be learning how to make this design right here, and I call this Melodies in the Wind. That is the name of this design. And you will learn how to either make it, you can use this technique to do earrings, or you can make a pendant and an earring, which meaning you can make a set. And if you want to, you can add beads and all the stuff on your pendant and really jazz it up. So if you think that this jewelry design technique right here would benefit you, you can add this technique to your list of skills. Just send me an email and I will get back with you with all the details on and I also want you to know that the class is going to be done via video. So that means that once you pay for the class will automatically be sent to you through your email. So if you think that this is something that you would like to learn, a technique that you would like to add to your list of skills, please send me an email and I will definitely get back to you. I want to thank you all for watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that all bell that is on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.